Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's summertime in hot Texas and the kids love the pool, right? So today I'm gonna show you how to blow up and deflate your pool using your vacuum. Let's go! First of all, you want any vacuum that comes with a hose that can either be as a blower or suction. So if you want your vacuum to deflate your pool, you want to attach to the suction. Plug your vacuum in and we will deflate our pool. So guys, most of your pools will come with a connection here to put air in, but you can either let it out quickly or you can use your vacuum. In a matter of just a few seconds, your pool is deflated, ready to be wrapped up and stored. But I think most people will be interested in how to blow their pool up with your vacuum. Now we have to make a few adjustments with our vacuum to get our pool blown up. So you're gonna want to reconnect your ear for vacuuming your rug back to your system, and then you're gonna use your hose and connect to the ear where it blows the air into. This is a Kirby vacuum, by the way, so you have to know how your vacuum works. Okay guys, so connect your front back to the vacuum and get it ready, just like you were gonna vacuum your rug. So make sure your hose is securely connected to the ear where your vacuum bag used to go, and now your vacuum is turned into a blower. Check this out. And guys, just like that, in a few seconds, minimal effort, you have a pool that can be blown up and a pool that can be deflated with your vacuum. It's no time for water fun. Let's go! Thanks for watching. See you guys on our next video. Say bye, guys. Bye.